Hello my fellow grade 10 students, and for today's video, we'll be tackling about theorems on central angles, arcs, and chords. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and keep on watching. In theorem number 1, in a circle or incongruent circles, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding central angles are congruent. Sinasaad nito na ang circle or yung congruent circle magiging congruent lamang ang two minor arcs kapag yung corresponding central angles nila are congruent din. Ano nga ba meaning na congruent? Meaning niya is equal. Now, let's refer to circle P. Ano ang central angle sa center P? LPM at OPN. So, pareho silang may 45 degrees. So, sila ay congruent. Kaya, masasabi natin ang minor arc na NO at ML ay congruent din. Now, tingnan naman natin yung circle P and circle C. Mapapansin natin na yung central angle sa center C, ACB, ay congruent din sa central angle OPN at LPM. Pareho silang may 45 degrees. So masasabi natin na congruent din ang minor arc na LM, ON at AB. We're done with theorem 1. Now basahin naman natin ang theorem 2. In a circle or incongruent circle, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding chords are congruent. Sinasabi nito na ang circle or yung congruent circle, yung two minor arcs are congruent kapag yung corresponding chords nila ay congruent din. For example, sa circle T, yung line segment or chord na BA tapos CH ay congruent. So, since yung two chord ay congruent din yung minor arc na BA tapos arc CH. Gets? Now, yung two congruent circle naman. Kung yung circle T at circle N ay congruent, dapat congruent din yung line segment BA, CH, at saka yung nasa circle N na OE. Therefore, masasabi natin na yung arc BA, arc CH, at arc OE ay congruent din. Theorem 3 naman. Sa Theorem 3, it states that in a circle, a diameter bisects a chord and an arc with the same endpoints if and only if it is perpendicular to the chord. So for example, sa circle M, yung diameter na QR ay binabisect yung chord na ST and arc ST dahil nga ang QR at STR ay perpendicular. Let's say na I ang nabuo doon sa may perpendicular. So, line segment SI is congruent to IT, which is pareho silang 3 cm ang measures. So, sa arc naman, yung arc SR tapos arc RT ay congruent din. Now, let's move on to arc adhesion postulate. Arc adhesion postulate is the measure of an arc formed by two adjacent, non-overlapping arcs. Arcs that share exactly one point is equal to the sum of the measure of these two arcs. For example, determine the measure of the given arcs and angles. Refer to the figure that follows. C is the center of the circle while the other points are points on the circle. Number 1, ang ipafind natin daw ay measure of angle 2 or measure of angle LCM. So, sa LCM, kitang-kita naman natin may given ng 45 degrees. So, the measure of angle 2 is 45 degrees. Now, number 2, measure of arc LM. Diba ang arc LM ay intercepted ng central angle LCM? So, therefore, ang measure din ng arc LM is 45 degrees. Since ang measure of angle LCM is 45 degrees din. Now let's move on to sector of a circle. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and the two radii or radiuses to the endpoints of the arc. In finding the area of a sector, minumultiply natin yung measure of the arc over 360 and yung area of the circle. Ang example ng sector of a circle ay yung yellow part doon sa circle. For example, the area of circle A is 78.5 square centimeter. What is the area of sector BAC, yung may shaded region ng circle A? So using the formula, area of sector BAC is equal to measure of the arc over 360 times area of the circle. So isa-substitute natin yung mga values. So 60 degrees over 360 times yung area niya, 78.5. So, ilo-lowest term muna natin yung 60 top over 360, magiging 1 over 6. Ita-time siya 78.5. So, therefore, the area of sector BAC is equal to 13.08 square centimeters. Dumako naman tayo sa segment of a circle. A segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc and the segment chord joining its endpoints. To find the area of a sector, we subtract the area of the triangle formed by the radii and the chord from the area of the whole sector, where the segment of a circle is found. For example, yung circle na nasa baba, yung may yellow shade, yun ang segment kasi bounded by an arc and the segment and chord joining its endpoints. Example problem. What is the area of the segment or shaded region in circle A? Yung BC daw is equal to 5 cm and yung area daw ng BAC is 5.41 square centimeter. So, yung formula natin, area of a segment is equal to area of sector BAC minus area of triangle BAC. Substitute natin yung mga values. Magiging area of segment is equal to 13.08 square centimeter minus 5.41 square centimeters. I-simplify natin. Therefore, area of the segment is equal to 7.67 square centimeter. Salamat sa panonood. Para manatiling updated, please subscribe.